Good morning. What's going on, guys? First things first, thank you for all my subscribers, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, especially if you're interested in learning appliance repair. We're going to do like how we've been doing in our previous two videos. We're just going to record the day and how we've been troubleshooting, just giving you guys a little sneak peek because I am working on a video series that's going to be nothing but breaking down individual appliances and how to troubleshoot them. So let's go. So I was in a hurry on my first job. It was a control board on a GE washer. It's a newer style washer. We had tons of codes in the control board. It was just oodles of codes. It wasn't spinning when it got to spin, but yet when I put it in diagnostic mode, it would spin. Everything would work properly. So with all the codes that we got and then it stopping at that specific time, that's why we went with a control board. So that's that one. Sorry guys, I didn't get to do the footage on it. But we are headed to a dishwasher. I had to order a dishwasher spray arm. This thing was had to be manufacturer order, so it took like 2 weeks just to get a dishwasher arm. But it had burned up on the element, and so we're just gonna go and pop that in. We are headed now to another property management company job. They said that the dryer is taking too long to dry. So we're going to, first things first, when you got a dryer that's taking too long to dry, you need to check the exhaust that's running through the house, condo, apartment, whatever you're going on, to make sure that it's getting the proper airflow. If it's getting the proper airflow, then the next step would be to make sure that the heating element is fine. If the heating element is fine, then we're just going to change the thermostats. Like I expected, the dryer vent is not even moving on this one. The dryer's heating, but they need to get that cleaned out. And you got the awesome view out here, boy. There was some water buildup here in the ice maker chute. Also, you can see here where ice was coming out of the ice maker. Anytime you see water like that leaking from an ice maker, it's the water valve, so we replaced it. The same customer also had an issue with the dishwasher. The complaint was it wasn't washing dishes properly, so we're going to start to remove the screen and check if there's for any debris. This is what it looks like when you get behind the spray arm. This is where we're going to remove some of the debris and also check the chopper blade. We removed the plate to get to the chopper blade in here. We're going to end up replacing the chopper blade. There was also some food debris like chicken bones and different things like that in there. Alright guys, I am on a Samsung refrigerator. The customer's complaint was that it was leaking water down here at the bottom and it freezes up. So what we're about to do, we're about to remove all these shelves and get to the back panel, and we're going to unclog this drain. I got a good feeling that that's what's going on. We'll know when we get back there. Okay, so you have your 3 screws at the bottom that you need to remove. Then you have a screw that's hiding behind this little plate here. Alright, so there is a blockage here in the drain. We finna fire the steamer and get it out, but this is what it looks like behind it. So once we got it defrosted in the front, you want to go to the back and locate the 2 tubes. You got one for the top, one for the bottom. These tubes will have a nipple in the back. You need to remove them and check for debris. So our last job was a dishwasher. She said that it was not heating, and so we pulled the dishwasher out. We checked continuity on a heating element. The continuity was good on the heating element, so we're going to replace the main control board. Alright guys, so that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. This is what we're doing the series. We're going to be shooting videos every day of the kind of work we got going on. Appreciate all the subscribers that I've been getting the past few days. It's very helpful. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, thank you for all the help. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.